Brevo is a comprehensive email marketing platform that allows you to create, manage, and analyze email campaigns. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Brevo to send emails. Sign up. Visit the Brevo website and sign up for an account. Verify your email address to activate your account. Complete your profile. Fill in your company details and set up your sender information to ensure compliance with email marketing regulations. Import contacts. Go to the contacts section and import your email list. You can upload a CSV file, copy-paste contacts, or integrate with other platforms to sync your contacts. Segment your list. Create segments based on criteria such as demographics, behavior, or engagement to tailor your campaigns to specific audiences. Start a campaign. Navigate to the campaign section and click Create a Campaign. Set campaign details. Name your campaign, choose your sender name and email, and set your subject line. Choose a template. Select from Brevo's pre-designed templates or create your own using the drag-and-drop editor. Customize content. Add text, images, buttons, and links to your email. Personalize your content using dynamic fields like the following. Configure settings. Set up additional options like tracking, A/B testing, and scheduling. Preview and test. Preview your email and send test emails to ensure everything looks right. Send your campaign. Choose whether to send immediately or schedule for a later time, then click Send. Track performance. After sending, monitor the campaign's performance in the report section. Analyze metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Optimize future campaigns. Use insights from your reports to improve future email campaigns, adjusting content and targeting as needed.